Hi students, welcome to my concepts channel. So in this video I'm going to explain about the concept of acceleration. Hi friends, in this video I'm going to explain about the acceleration. So what does acceleration means? Most of you know acceleration equal to dv by dt or delta v by delta t. So what does actually acceleration means? Acceleration. Why are you writing this to? Wait a minute. So what does acceleration means? I think you had idea about velocity v. Let's take any object is moving with the velocity v. Any object is in motion. Any object. Let's say object O, either car, bike, person, any. Let's take object O. Object O is in motion with velocity v. Is in motion. Or motion means not staying at one place. It is moving in. So object is in motion with velocity v. Like we can say it is moving with the velocity v. If object is moving with the velocity v at t equal to 0, at t equal to t, the object, what is the velocity of if at t equal to 0 the velocity of this object is v, then what is the velocity of this object moving the velocity v initially is what at time t equal to t. Did you got the question? What is the velocity of the object after time t? So let's take, so this at this instant the velocity of the object will be v if the acceleration in this time interval will be 0, because acceleration means the rate of change of, okay, leave it. This is moving in the constant velocity, right? Here at t equal to 0 it is moving the velocity v, at t equal to 1 it is moving the velocity v, at t equal to 2 it is moving the velocity v, at t equal to t also it is moving the velocity v, because there is no acceleration. What does acceleration means? What happens if acceleration is there? Let's say acceleration is not equal to 0. Okay, if acceleration not equal to 0, there will be a change in the velocity. Here at equal to 1 second it is moving with the velocity v, but if acceleration not equal to 0, at t equal to 1 second the object will not be moved with the velocity v. Either it will be decreased, either it will be increased, it will be changed. So if there is a change in velocity of object, if there is a change in velocity at t equal to 0 at another time t, or at 1 second or 2 second, at another time, if the velocity of the object will be u, that is different from the initial velocity, then there is an acceleration between these two. In this time interval there is an acceleration which result in change in the velocity. Okay, sorry. From this what can you conclude is acceleration defines that acceleration, the value of acceleration will tells us, the value of acceleration will tells us how much value of velocity, is increasing per second, per 1 second. T equal to, from t equal to 0 t equal to 1 second, in 1 second how much velocity, how much extra velocity, how much extra speed is added to the object moving the velocity v is given by value of acceleration. For example, if acceleration is 1 meter per second square, its unit is meter per second square, then velocity, what is the extra velocity added to this velocity in 1 second? What is the extra velocity added to the v in 1 second is 1 unit. 1 unit will be increased in 1 second because acceleration is 1. So basically acceleration tells us how much value will be increased to the velocity in 1 second. So if acceleration equal to 2 meter per second, the extra velocity added to the initial velocity will be plus 2 units. Plus 2 units will be added to the initial velocity in 1 second. In 1 second, how much velocity is added is given by the acceleration. A equal to 3 meter per second, 3 meter per second square. If a equal to 3 meter per second, what is the velocity of an object moving with the velocity v? Sorry, if the acceleration equal to 3 meter per second square, then what will be the velocity of the object moving the velocity v initially after t equal to 3 seconds, or at t equal to 3 seconds, what is the acceleration of this object? So after 3 seconds, what is the velocity of this object? Means you can calculate the given, what is the given information. It is moving the velocity v.